Yeah, so the ticket number, the reference number is 3504.
3504. That must be the
Correct.
last four digit of your order number.
That's what it was given to me over the
Yeah,
phone
got
when
it.
I made a call 1st of May. First of, yes,
Okay.
1st of May.
3504. This is the last four digit of your order number. And this is uh, C1C wireless camera for home. Correct?
Correct, correct.
Okay. Actually, yeah. This is a dummy CIC. Just.
So let me give you background why I'm calling it today. So I have been calling since 1st of May because I ordered a wireless camera
Okay.
and you Amazon has delivered a box, and that box had a HP company wired mouse. The box size I received is 19 by 14 by 5.3 centimeter, and two wireless camera cannot fit into the box. I did lots of follow up, and Amazon representative, they kept on lying in 100 different ways. Every single call I record, even I'm recording this call, which I will make it public in social media team, your Amazon social media team, they also picked up. They are saying, don't worry, we will resolve it. Last call I had was yesterday again in the morning, and I asked Amazon. They kept on they kept on refusing, that they are not going to give me refund, they are not going to send me the camera, nothing. Last call I had yesterday, that is 13th of May, in the morning, and the lady with whom I spoke, I asked her, can you give me the dimension of the box which was shipped by Amazon so that I can match with what I have received? And that lady, the Amazon, not lady, I'm sorry, the Amazon refused to give me dimension, saying that we don't have in the system, again, which is lie. Every single thing, it's entered into the system, it is with you guys. Then also I was told that investigation is happening. I asked, what is the investigation details? Provide me. They didn't. So last call was almost 30 minutes call, which again I posted in social media. I have registered the case with central government. I can tell you the department also, but anyway, today all of a sudden, because I'm all over social media, very soon it's going to go to many news channel also. And now I see all of a sudden two email I received, that refund of only one camera refund I can see, two email. So one email says that refund of total, let me read, 2240.50.
Got it.
Where it's coming, where it's coming
Okay, so
from.
yeah, just give me a minute, Sanjeev.
Yeah, and
So
I need to
basically,
know
we have
that, I need
ordered.
to know what precise money you guys are
Mhm,
refunding, because it's not money, it's cheating and fraud.
mhm.
I need to get, details of this problem.
Yeah, as I am checking the details, already investigations are going on this issue, and multiple teams are handling the issue too. So one thing I want to
So tell
claim that
me, tell
you
me,
have
tell
already.
me, tell me one thing. Tell me one
Uh-huh.
thing.
Yeah.
Yesterday, which is 13th of May,
Uh-huh.
Amazon representative, she told me
Uh-huh.
that investigation it's over. You just get lost. We won't give you anything. And all of a sudden, I can see that they are refunding 2000 or something. And now you are saying that investigation is going on. So
Mhm.
I'm a literate customer.
So
There
see,
should be only one version true, right? Amazon told me
yeah, I got
investigation
it.
it's over, you won't get anything. You are telling me investigation it's on. In email, Amazon is refunding me, half of the money. What is the
Mhm.
truth, sir?
See, I'll tell you.
And
I'll
again,
tell you
this
one
call
thing.
will also go on public. I'm recording.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, listen to me, sir. See, as I am checking the details, multiple teams handling the issue too. Okay, that's the main thing what I am saying. Okay, just tell me one thing that you have ordered two quantities, but you have received one.
No,
Right?
sorry, that's wrong. I received one box, and
One
that
box only.
and that box had HP company camera.
Okay.
And when you
Got it.
guys
That means, your
received,
item was missing from the box.
no,
right?
no, 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 no. Be very clear. I received only one box, and that box had a HP company mouse, wired mouse. The box says gaming mouse M260. I ordered wireless camera, which Amazon has not shipped me.
Okay.
And yesterday morning, which is 13th of May morning, I had almost 30 minutes call. And Amazon refused to provide me dimension of the box, refused to provide me detail of investigation, refused to provide me refund, refused to provide me cameras.
Okay.
And that led me to file this case to the Principal Secretary, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, which I have done it officially. Further, I will take it. And again, I'm repeating, either you are lying, yesterday the lady was lying, Amazon CEO is lying, who is lying? And what is this email? Because today I received email, some 2000 means half of the money you are refunding. So why you are refunding the money?
Okay. Give me a minute, sir.
Sure.
Whatever details I will look onto on my system, that's what I will tell you. I
Sure.
will not tell you any wrong information. Okay.
Sure.
So as I am checking the details, today only 4,481. That is the complete amount. The refund was initiated, sir.
But I received two email. One email says 2000, let me read it, 2240.50. Another email says 2240.50, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That means total 4,481. Two refunds were initiated separately.
Okay.
That means total 4,481.0 you have received.
So-
initiated from Amazon side.
So, sir, I would like to know, because it's not for me, it's not about money. I'm very awake citizen. I want to know why you are refunding the money, because till yesterday, Amazon kept on lying. Kept on lying. I need apology letter, or I need the investigation details. I need it officially, because I'm going to take this matter. Already I have filed with Government of India. If it's not, I will take it to the court. I need to know, and it's a very fair thing. If some mistake is done, just say sorry. Let's move on. But if Amazon keeps on lying, this will go to public. Again, this call I will post it, and I'm in touch with many different news channel. I'm going to make it a big thing.
As whatever details I'm looking at my system, that's the detail I'm providing you.
Okay, what is the investigation details, sir?
Refunds,
If you can't provide, can I talk to your supervisor?
yes, you can talk to a supervisor as well.
Yeah.
But they will also provide you the same information about the refunds and all. If you want, I can transfer the call, sir.
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm transferring the call to senior supervisor. Please be on that.
Sure.
Thank you for holding the line, Sanjeev.
Yes.
Okay, Sanjeev, I am with conversation with my senior supervisor, so I'm telling him narrating him the whole story.
Sure.
Okay, the complete issue. Okay, so that's why it's taking effect on.
Sure,
Please
sure.
stay connected. Once I'll connect the call. Okay?
Sure.
Be online. Thank you for holding the line, Sanjeev.
Yes.
Sanjeev, I have transferred your call to senior escalation desk. My senior supervisor is online,
Okay.
and he'll be assisting you further.
Sure.
Take over the call, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, this is Rohit from Amazon Education. Am I speaking to Sanjeev?
Yes. This is Sanjeev.
Sanjeev, I'm told that you have ordered a product and it is for LG by Hikvision C1C wireless camera for home. It was also it's $1. So you are telling that you had got a wrong product. So the order is returned to us and now the refund is initiated. So you want to know that why the refund is initiated. Also, you want to know the reason that why it is actually what is the reason it is initiated, right, sir?
Yes, because
You want
till
to investigate the report.
till starting 1st of May till yesterday, which is 13th of May, I had a sleepless night. I have
I'm
spent
sorry to
so
interrupt you,
many, you guys have wasted my productive hour, which is worth of maybe more than 50,000 rupees. You guys refused to accept anything.
Okay.
I ordered wireless camera, two wireless camera, and you guys delivered me HP company wired mouse. Now,
Okay.
till yesterday, your social media team, your CEO, many, phone calls which already have made it public. You guys refuse to provide me any details. You refuse to provide me details of
Okay.
investigation, refuse to provide me the dimension of the box, what you may have shipped, refuse to provide me what are the check and balances done before shipping, blatantly kept on, lying. Now my question is, why you have issued a refund?
Okay, so I'm sorry for that, Sanjeev. So here I would like to tell you, sir, that now the refund is already initiated, and we will not be able to tell the reason because that's the
So you are
reason
lying.
we do.
You are lying. I need someone is doing mistake. Either customer as a me or Amazon third party vendor. I need a clear answer, sir. I need a details of investigation. Because on record, let me tell you, already I have filed a complaint with the Principal Secretary Ministry of Consumer Affairs. Because this is not going to stop. If you linger, I will take this to the court. Because it's not 4,000 rupees. I will be spending maybe 20 times, 50 times more. I'm very awake citizen. I will take this matter to, conclusion, right conclusion. So you have to tell me, you tell me truth now, or you will tell me at some point you have to, you guys will have to reply. If you want to close it now, talk to your team, let's close it. Say sorry, it's all done. If you want to drag it, I'm in the touch of so many other news channels. This will go all over.
Okay, so we can understand that you can forward it in your way because it gives us a chance to be more than happy to do so. Though that is a personal news, so in that we cannot comment, sir. And I would like to tell you that by 20th of May you will get your refund. But here
No. That is not my question. My question is why you are refunding. Why you issued refund? Because till yesterday, you guys refused to accept anything that Amazon has done fraud, cheating, which Amazon has done. What happened? Are you guys afraid? Social media, news channels, so many write-up, filing case with Principal Secretary, Government of India. Why you are issuing refund now?
in that I can't comment. That's a personal view. I will not.
It's not personal view. It's Amazon. It's Amazon. Sir, it's Amazon, right? So why Amazon?
I have told that is
Why Amazon is refunding money? For what reason you are refunding money, right?
as already I told you that's an internal thing. The investigation.
It's not internal. It's not internal. It's not internal. It is tied to me. It is tied to customer. So it is not your matter. It is the matter of customer. So it is not you. It is customer. I need to know why you are refunding the money.
You can do one thing. You can drop a mail to us.
No, I'm not writing an email. I'm talking to you, right? I'm talking to live Amazon person. I'm talking to
Information can't be.
So you are saying that you will lie, Amazon will lie, Amazon will continue doing fraud. You won't give me any details, right?
That is your personal view.
It's not personal view. Amazon is lying, right? Amazon is lying. You are not providing me details. Why you are issuing me refund? Did you send me wrong item? Right? Yes or no? You sent me wrong item.
This is the wrong product. Yeah, so here this is the wrong product. So
Wrong product, right? So till yesterday you refused to accept, right? So those people were lying, right? Amazon was lying till yesterday.
we have to investigate, sir. If some concern has happened, so that's our policy, right? We have to investigate, and after that only any further action.
Okay, but till yesterday your team Amazon, they refused. They closed the matter. I have in writing email that they won't do anything. What triggered in one day?
Yeah, we will check that. If something is done, we will check that. Please be necessary actions and things. Like
No, what is necessary action? Sir, be very precise. I don't want generic answer. Till yesterday, Amazon was lying. So what has triggered? You guys are now afraid of social media? You guys are afraid of becoming a part of news for your cheating and fraud?
in that I can't comment. I already told you, Sanjeev. And then
When you will give me the details of investigation?
that details will not be shared, sir.
Why?
Those are internal, sir.
Why? It's not internal. I'm linked with that. How you're going to compensate me? You have wasted my productive hours. Starting 1st of May till now I'm talking to you. How many hours I have done writing, recording, posting, filing complaint, sending email to you. Two things will happen. Either you guys send me apology or you guys will have to compensate. How you will compensate? Because it's not about that 4,000. 4,000, it's nothing for me.
Amazon doesn't have any policy for compensation, so we will not be able to do that. Sanjeev.
So Amazon has a policy for cheating and doing fraud with Indian citizen?
In that we can't comment. That's a personal.
Why can't you?
And
It's not
already-
personal. It's not personal. It's a consumer. It's an Indian citizen. American company cheating, doing fraud with Indian citizen. That is the fact.
I already told you in that I will not be able to comment.
Who will? Who will? Can I have the email ID of your CEO, please? That at least you can provide.
That
Please.
can't be provided. I can provide.
So
only
you
one
won't
email
provide the email ID of your CEO?
We cannot provide that, sir. I can provide you only one email ID. If you wish, you can note that down.
What is that email ID? Whose email ID is that?
It's our only. We have a dedicated.
Our. Be specific. Whose email ID? Be specific. Person, designation. What is that?
Amazon customer service.
No. Customer service, they're a bunch of liars, right? Till yesterday, you guys were lying. And again, you are lying. So Amazon is a liar, fraud.
That I can't comment, sir.
It's not about commenting. It's not about commenting. So you're lying. And you are telling me that you won't provide email ID of your CEO. So your CEO is a liar? Jeff is liar?
Can't comment.
Jeff is liar, right?
Can't comment. Can't comment.
Or he's, Jeff is coward. He's afraid of the social media. He's afraid of, going the whole thing in public. Already it is in public. And even the call when I'm talking to you, this is going to be public in maybe in another 2 hours.
I already told you that the personal view in that we cannot.
It's Amazon personal. Are you running the company? Is it your personal view?
In that I can't comment, sir.
Oh, that's a standard answer, liar.
Request you to please maintain the decorum in a professional call, sir.
It is liar. It's a professional word, right? Mind it. When business like Amazon lies to customer, do fraud with customer, it is called liar and fraud. And it is very much decent word to use for American company who is getting indulged into lying, cheating Indian citizen. Not only that, I wrote a review comments on the product, and you know what? I received an email that your review comments won't be posted, right? Because I wrote a honest review comments. So it is a cheating, it's a fraud. You guys are paying to write review comments. Probably you guys are paying to write review comments because you didn't posted my review comments about the product which I wrote.
That's all. If you have a dedicated team, you can drop a mail.
No, writing email to whom? I want to write to your CEO. Why Jeff is hiding? Why Jeff is hiding? I want to write email to him. Give me his email ID. Even if you won't give, I will find it. I will find it somehow.
Yeah, we can find from your side, sir, but we cannot provide.
So now Amazon employee, they are scared of their CEO. Wow. So Amazon is threatening their employee also? So Amazon is threatening their employee also, right?
Is there anything else I'm happy to discuss?
So why you are afraid? So Amazon, are you guys threatened by Amazon?
That's a person who can't comment, sir.
So basically you are scared, right? So Jeff, you guys are scared of American company Amazon. So they are threatening Indian citizen.
I already told you cannot comment in that.
I'm sorry, I feel it's a very sorry state that Amazon is lying, Amazon is cheating, doing fraud with Indian citizen, and Amazon is threatening their internal employee not to speak the truth.
Cannot comment it, sir.
See, I can see it's very obvious. Very obvious. I feel sorry for you, man.
Do you want to know anything else?
You haven't provided me anything. I want investigation details. Or say that, I feel sorry for you. You are threatened by Amazon.
Those details can't be shared, sir.
And who is asking you not to share? Jeff, the company
Those are
CEO?
internal policies, sir.
And who has defined that policy, sir?
Those are internal things that can't be shared.
Who has defined that policy? Amazon CEO, Jeff?
Those are internal things can't be shared, sir.
Customer is not internal. You investigated my case. So your policy is to lie customer, right? Is that Jeff CEO, Amazon CEO is doing, right?
Cannot comment in that, sir.
Why? Are you scared of Amazon?
In that also I can't comment, sir.
Good answer, man. I feel sorry for you.
Do you want to know anything else?
Yeah, I need investigation details. I need apologies letter from Amazon.
Can't be done, sir. You can drop a mail to us. If you have any further concern, you can drop a mail to us and you. But the thing which you are telling cannot be done.
So why you are issuing me refund? Just answer that question.
As you have faced the concern, our team has investigated it and then they have initiated the refund. For more details, I cannot provide.
No, why you are issuing refund? At least that's a simple question.
I told you, no, as you have faced a concern, you told us you have received the wrong product, so that is why you are.
So you shipped the wrong product, right? So till yesterday you kept on lying that we will continue doing fraud, showing finger to customer, go to hell. But now when I filed a complaint to central government, when I filed a complaint with central government, I exposed you guys in public domain. Now Amazon is afraid, now scared, and now they are talking, right? You guys will talk more, just wait. You guys will talk more, just wait.
Do you want to do anything else?
You haven't provided anything. You wasted my time. Thank you.